Hey friends, welcome back to another lesson. I hope the other one wasn't too bad. Alright, so just hang in there. For today's lesson, we're going to simply talk about blends, okay? We're going to review what that means. Remember, blends is when you have not one, but two or more letters, consonants that make their own sound, and when you put them together, you're blending them to say a word. Alright, here I have a chart that, bear with me, I'm trying to get all angles. Here we go. Alright, for example, here we have blends. We have an S and a T. The S makes the S sound and the T makes the T. Alright, when we blend that, it says st. Alright, sometimes blends are going to be in the beginning. Sometimes they're going to be at the very end. This is a perfect example of that. Our first word here we have star. Next one is list. Alright, next blend we have a D and an R. Dr. Okay, first word we have drop. And then we have drive. Alright, here we have an F and an L. Foo. Okay, first word we have is flag. And then we have flake. Okay, down here we have an S and a K. We have sk. Okay, first word is skate. Next one is skunk. Alright, down here we have a C and a K. But I do notice that these two letters make the same sound, and that's okay. Alright, k, sick, rock. Alright, notice how these blends were at the very end, and if we go back here, these were at the very front. Okay, and last but not least, we have a T and an R. Tr. First word we have is trip, and next one we have is trunk. Alright, this is just a review of some blends that we have learned throughout the year. And now, back to Ms. Bravo, I'm going to show you an activity that you can do after you watch this video. Well, you watch this segment. Okay, I'm going to minimize my screen. Give me 1 second. Alright, perfect. So now you're going to be on this page, back on the virtual learning that I will be sending out. Okay, this is the video that we just watched right here where it says blends. You're going to click here where it says, give me 1 second. Alright, yes. You're going to click here where it says game. You're going to click on this link, and it's going to take you to Quizlet, okay? Basically, you're going to look at the picture and sound out each word to see which word matches the picture. For example, this says drape. Is this a drape? No. Okay, this one says staple. Is this a staple? It looks like a staple. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Oh, I'm correct. Alright, and then here, next one, same process. I'm going to match my picture. Rest or dress. Oh, this looks like a dress. I'm going to click on it. Alright, after you go, notice how after each question, it'll take you down here. Okay, alright, and that is the activity for that assignment. Alright friends, well, I hope that wasn't too bad. Like I said before, if you have any questions or you're having trouble accessing any of this information, it's okay, it's not a problem. Just let me know and I'll try my best to get to you and help you out. Alright, I hope you have fun doing this activity, and remember, stay healthy and wash your hands. Bye.